Hey guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you tutorial how to install Gateio on Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the started. First, we go to the Play Store application. You can click the Play Store first, click on. And after that, in the upper of the bar, you can tap and then search about the Gateio. If you're done, you can click search in the upper or in the below, you can go to. And after that, if you find it, click on the Gateio and click install. Okay, there is have a two option to you. The first one is now offer any networks, and the second one when Wi-Fi is available. So I choose offer any network because now I don't use the Wi-Fi connection. Okay, click on the for offer any network, click on OK. And now the Gateio is has the progressive to install it. Okay, if you're done to install it, you can click open. Okay, now your Gateio is installed by your cell phone. This is a tutorial how to install Gateio on Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.